Hello everyone. Today we have this position. It is not a puzzle as always, but this is the greatest move of all time, and I want to provide to you guys. Frank Marshall is playing with white pieces, with black pieces I mean. And in this position, Frank Marshall sacrificed the rook by playing rook to h3. The idea is if the rook taken by the pawn, black would just play knight to f3, forking the queen, the rook, and the king. Obviously, the knight would take the queen, and it's going to be easy win for black. However, in this position, Frank Marshall opponents didn't take the rook. Instead, he played rook to c5, attacking the queen. And here it comes the greatest move of chess. What do you think the move? Go ahead, pause the video and guess the move. Okay, the move that was played by Grandmaster Frank Marshall is queen to g3 check, queen to g3, sacrificing the queen. So the queen can be taken in 3 different ways. But let me show you what would happen if the queen taken by the pawn. If the pawn takes the queen, the pawn would leave the h file open, which is perfect for black to move to knight to e2 and deliver the checkmate. So this is going to be checkmate if the h pawn takes the queen. So what would happen if f takes g3? Again, we are going to play knight to e2, and this is going to be another checkmate, right? There is no way to save the king. So we can't, white can't take the queen with the pawns. So what would happen if white takes with the queen, which is the best move? Well, in this position, Frank Marshall can play knight to e2, and white is forced to the corner, and black would just capture the queen. In this position, white can't take the knight, otherwise rook takes f1 is going to be just checkmate, and the pawn is pinned. The pawn is pinned to the rook. So white has no choice except to play to king to g1. Well, in this position, we just play knight to f2, and we are going to just save the rook, right? And black is going to have one extra knight, which is enough to win the game. So this is the move that was played by one of the greatest player, Frank Marshall. But you may just assume, what if the queen ignored? What if black just play queen to d5? Black is ignoring the queen. But the thing you didn't notice is black is going to just checkmate the white king on h2, and black is now threatening checkmate on h2, and black would just deliver checkmate by playing queen takes h2 anyway. So that is the idea, and the black queen has to be taken in this position. The other move you may just try to play is queen to e5. So now the queen cannot be just taken. You just capture the queen, and this is going to be winning, you might say. But in this position, black is not going to just take the queen. Black would just play to knight to e2, and white king is forced to the corner, and now Black can deliver checkmate by playing rook takes h2, and this is going to be just checkmate. So this is the idea. Yes, in this position the queen can take this, but this is going to be just checkmate. So this is such a spectacular move. Spectators threw a gold coin on Frank Marshall to just appreciate and to just express their feeling on this greatest legendary move of chess. So guys, let me know in the comment if you'd like to see similar chess moves. I mean, brilliant, outstanding, extraordinary chess moves like this. I'll see you next time. Bye.